It is the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR gaming PC. This thing has an Intel 5 in it. That's the processor, by the way, and a GeForce GTX 1660 Super, which is the best graphics card on the market right now. This thing has over 7,000 reviews. It's like 4.5 to 4.8 out of 5 stars there, and there's a reason. CyberPower is a great pre-built name.
Then I think I recommended one to you, Ross, right? Didn't we get you a CyberPower as well?
Yeah, we did. Literally about a year ago, we got one, and it's been one of the best purchases I've ever had. It's just next level.
And you didn't have to make it yourself. It just shows up looking amazing. So what can you do with this particular model of computer? A lot of people are wondering, like, is it going to be fast for video editing? Is it going to be fast for gaming? Can you guys, Perrin, can you just make it simple? Like, what can you do with this computer? Why would you buy a computer this powerful? Break that down for us.
So this is so that you can play modern games, modern PC games like Call of Duty, the latest Call of Duty. You can play Fortnite, etc. You can play these games in high frames per second in mostly 1080p. There will be some games you might be able to stretch to 1440p, but most likely not too many. So you're mostly going to be gaming high frame rates and 1080p. That's so that you can be a little bit more competitive and that it's just an enjoyable PC gaming experience. This is going to be mainly for your first-person shooters out there and for your Fortnite players. I think this is why this PC is getting picked up mostly, because it likely runs Fortnite very, very well, and it likely runs Call of Duty very, very well. And so you're getting a lot of gamers who just want to play that game. You don't have to learn all the tech lingo, like of whether the this graphics card is good or not, or what CPU is in it or whatever. That stuff can be jargon, and maybe you're not wanting to go down that rabbit hole. And for those of you who don't, they're coming to Amazon and they're picking this one up for good reason, because it's working out for those type of gamers for what they want.
That makes sense. Okay, so if you're looking to do 1080p gaming, this is gonna crush it. Like, you're gonna get high frames, 1080p gaming, no problem. And I'd like to add here, because it's got that NVIDIA graphics card, the 1660 there with 6 gigabytes of RAM, what that's gonna mean is that this computer is gonna be fast enough for you to live stream, for you to edit videos, and for you to do some content production, run things like Photoshop, what have you. So streamers, creators out there, if you're looking to do 1080p full HD video production, this computer's easily powerful enough to do that. However, for things like 2K gaming and 4K gaming, you'll need to go ahead and test this and see what different programs and for 4K video production, what different programs can handle. But we can definitely say, for sure, thumbs up on 1080p content production there. And this one looks like it comes with a mouse and keyboard in the package as well, doesn't it?
It does. Actually, I'm currently using the mouse that you would get, interestingly enough, and I actually really like this one. This is just like a free mouse, by the way. You're not paying extra for this. This is just CyberPower sends it to you for free. It has built-in button changing for the mouse pointer speed, which can be nice for FPS games if on the fly you want to change the sensitivity of your mouse pointer to be more or less if you're sniping or whatever. So it's almost built in mind for those Fortnite or Call of Duty players to give them a good FPS mouse for free. So yeah, it's kind of nice that you get that as a bonus.
Yeah, that's great. Awesome pickup, dude. Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.